How to connect AirPod to your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect AirPod on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to just make sure that your AirPod is fully charged to be on, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just turn it on or open your upper case of your AirPod like this. Alright, so similarly, you have to just turn it on your AirPod, and after you turn it on, you'll have to back from here and from the settings section, make sure that you have turned on the Bluetooth on your iPhone, and after you turn it on the other device section, you can easily find that Bluetooth device of AirPods. So simply tap on that Bluetooth device. Alright, after you tap on that, you can easily connect to that airport, or it can require some information from the airport like pressing the back button of your airport. Like I have already connected to my airport, since I have not got that settings, like I have to press at the back button of my airport, and after you confirm it, you'll be able to connect to your airport from your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.